This question belongs to ME set 1. Question is, the sum and product of two integers are 26 and 165 respectively. The difference between these two integers is, option A is given 3, option B is given 6, option C is given 2, option D is given 4. Okay. Here first we assume that two integers. Let us assume that two integers as some x and y. So sum of these two integers is given. So x plus y is given here in the problem 26, and product of these means xy is given 165. Then we need to calculate the difference between the two integers. Okay. Here I will discuss two methods. First method is from trial and error method also you can give this answer. Observe here, product of these numbers is 165. The last digit is clearly 5. Means definitely this number will be multiple of 5. So I will take now randomly 5 1 ja 5 is one number, but to get sum 26 I will take another number will be 21. Okay, this sum is 26, but product is 5 into 21 is 105. So this is not 165. Okay, next another case. This is case 1. Now case 2. 5 2s are 10. Okay, I will not take 10. 5 3s are 15. So last digit is 5. Last digit is 5. So I will take 5 3s are 15 is one number. But to get sum 26 I will take another number is 11. So in this case sum is okay 26. What is the product here? So 15 into 11. So now this is exactly 165. So this is the required two numbers. But which is x, which is y? So asking difference between two integers. So that's why I will take mod x minus y. Here you can choose either x is 15 or x is 11, no problem. That is difference between two integers. 15 minus 11 or mod 11 minus 15. Both values will be equal to 4. So this is method 1. Method 2 is using algebraic identities also can simplify this problem. What is algebraic identities? One identity is x minus 5 whole square is equal to x plus 5 whole square minus 4x5. So here x plus 5 we know that 26. So 26 whole square minus 4 into xy is what now? 165. So 26 square will be 676. Okay, minus 4 into 165 value will be 660. So this value will be 16. So from this x minus 5 clearly equal to 4. This is the required answer from the options. The right option is D.